Today we're going to make this roasted asparagus and mushrooms, and it's a quick dish, easy to put together, and you're going to love it. So let's get started. Hi there, I'm Mathia Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're going to make a roasted asparagus and mushrooms dish. Super easy, super delicious. My family just ate it up. They loved it. So I thought I would share it with you today. We're going to have asparagus, mushrooms, some of my Texas twist and some pepper, black pepper, garlic, I love garlic, and some olive oil. So I've already taken the mushrooms and cut them into slices. I like to do slices. You can quarter them if you like. And then I also have cut the tough end off the asparagus and cut it into about 2-inch pieces. So those are gonna cook really fast and be nice and delicious. This recipe really just has a couple steps, super easy. You just add everything to the bowl and we're going to mix it together. Okay, we're just gonna stir this together. Make sure everything gets coated in that Texas twist, which is a little bit spicy, but very delicious. And the black pepper. Garlic, I can smell the garlic. The garlic smells so good. You want to make sure your mushrooms are in pieces, not kind of clumped together. They tend to do that when you cut them. So just make sure they're separated. And there's your mixed dish. We're going to put this on a sheet pan with some parchment paper and put it in the oven to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So I have my sheet pan with parchment paper. You can spray underneath the parchment paper to make it lay down a little easier if you want. And then we just push everything into there. It already smells good. When I was testing this recipe, my family just ate it up. So I knew you would love it too. Just try to spread it out evenly. So you can kind of see how that looks. All right, now we're ready to put this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until that asparagus gets a little bit soft, and then we're gonna have a bite. Here is the final, after it's cooked, of the roasted asparagus and mushrooms, and we're gonna give it a try. It smells absolutely delicious. This is 2 servings, so you're gonna get a lot of asparagus, a lot of mushrooms, with plenty to share. You can cook it a little longer if you really want to have soft asparagus. I want to show you close up how that looks. And we're going to take a bite. I taste the zing of the Texas twist. The asparagus is crunchy. You can taste that garlic. This is a great side dish. It's a perfect side dish for chronic kidney disease. And you get a big serving. So obviously you can fill up your plate with this and then have a small portion of protein and be in good shape.